What comes to mind when you think of Starbucks? For many of us, it's that warm, inviting aroma of freshly brewed coffee, the iconic green mermaid logo, and the bustling ambience of their stores. But there's so much more to this global coffee behemoth than just a cup of joe. Right under the surface, Starbucks also operates like a giant bank. It has billions of dollars in customer deposits. To put that into perspective, 85% of the banks in the US have less than $1 billion. So, how could a coffee company possibly have anything to do with banking? And where did they get those deposits? First off, let's start with understanding how the conventional bank operates. According to the World Bank, a bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits and offers loans. It plays a crucial role in the financial stability and economic development of a country. Banks do three main things for you. Saving your money. Banks take your money and store it in their safe. Keeping it safe. Banks use special security to make sure your money doesn't get stolen. They give you statements and online access so you can see how much money you have and what you've spent. Helping you pay. Banks help you pay for things. They let you send money to other people or companies. You can use checks, credit cards, and electronic transfers to pay for stuff and settle your bills. It's a convenient way to handle your money. On the flip side, banks make money and profit in different ways, such as interest rate difference. Banks earn cash by charging people who borrow money a higher interest rate than what they pay to the people who have saved the money in their bank. This difference in interest rates is called the interest rate spread. It's the main way banks make money. Investments. Banks use some of the money from deposits and their own capital to invest in things like government bonds and other financial stuff that earns them interest. This also adds to their money pile. So, what does the banking system have to do with Starbucks? But hold on, before we move forward, if you find any of the points in this video interesting, you can show your support by giving it a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to stay updated with more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, Starbucks quasi-banking practice centers on the Starbucks Rewards program. This program has its roots in the Starbucks card, which was first introduced in November 2001. Originally, this card was just a test given to Starbucks associates to try out. But the Starbucks card quickly caught on with customers. In its first year after being released to the public, millions of people started using it. Starbucks saw this and decided to turn the Starbucks card into a rewards program. As part of this transformation, the coffee house created the Starbucks Gold Card. This special card came with extra perks and benefits for Starbucks' most loyal customers. Gold card holders got exclusive advantages when they visited Starbucks stores. Then, in 2009, Starbucks took things a step further by launching the My Starbucks Rewards program and the Starbucks Card mobile app. Here's how it works in practice. To join in, you need to become a member of the Starbucks Rewards program, and it won't cost you a thing. You can sign up in a few ways, by getting a Starbucks card, an e-gift card, or by downloading the Starbucks app and making an account. Once you're a member, you can put money on your Starbucks card or the app and use it to pay for your orders. You can also connect your regular credit or debit card to the app for automatic reloading and payment. With the Starbucks app, you can easily order and pay for your drinks and food before you even get to the store. This means you can skip the line and save time. But here's where it gets interesting. Every time you buy something with a Starbucks card, you earn stars. The more you spend, the more stars you get. For example, you might get 2 stars for every $1 you spend. As you collect stars, you can use them to get cool stuff. You can get things like free drinks like coffee or tea, free snacks and food, free Starbucks gear, free refills. You can even use your stars to pay for your orders. Moreover, the Starbucks Rewards program has different levels, like green and gold. When you earn enough stars, you move up to higher levels. And when you reach these higher levels, you unlock even better rewards, like fancier free drinks. This makes you want to keep earning more stars. But it's not just about the stars. There are other great things about the program too. Personalized deals. Starbucks uses what they know about you to offer you special deals and discounts through the app. This might make you want to try new things or visit Starbucks at certain times. Exclusive offers. Sometimes, Starbucks gives special deals and perks to its rewards members. This could mean you get to try new stuff before everyone else or get cool promotions. Easy ordering. The Starbucks app lets you order and pay for your stuff on your phone, which is super handy if you're in a rush. You can order ahead and skip the line. Birthday treats. Starbucks gives you a free drink or treat on your birthday. Surprises. Sometimes, Starbucks surprises you with bonus stars or special deals. So, from your point of view as a customer, the Starbucks Rewards program is a great deal. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you get all these awesome perks. As for Starbucks, the reward for them is even bigger. The Starbucks Rewards system is a win-win for both Starbucks and its customers. For Starbucks to get their perk, it has some similarities to how banks operate. When customers preload money on their Starbucks accounts, that money stays with Starbucks until they spend it. Sometimes, people forget to use the money in their accounts. In theory, Starbucks can use this money to invest in their business, and the money is not small either. In 2022, Starbucks had about $1.7 billion from customer deposits. To give you an idea, most regular banks in the US don't even have $1 billion in their accounts. But here's the big difference: regular banks have to pay customers interest on their money. But Starbucks doesn't have to do that. So, it's like Starbucks customers are giving them $1.7 billion at 0% interest. And you know those gift cards Starbucks gives to their loyal customers? Well, some of those cards never get used. Starbucks makes money from these unused cards, and in financial terms, this is called breakage revenue. In 2021, this added up to about $164 million, which is about 10% of all the money people have in their Starbucks accounts. What's even better is that, unlike a regular bank where customers can withdraw money anytime, Starbucks uses closed-loop cards, and members can only use them to buy coffee. This means once customers transfer funds into their Starbucks account, they're pretty much locked in, which guarantees revenue for Starbucks. But wait, we're not done yet. When people buy things at a regular store, they don't really keep track of what the customers buy. But when people use the Starbucks card or app to pay, Starbucks keeps a record of everything they buy. Starbucks puts this info into their computer system, which helps them understand what people like and what they don't. This helps to make the Starbucks experience even better and keeps the customers coming back for more. So, with all these things, like Starbucks acting kind of like a bank and keeping a close eye on what you buy, some people wonder how the regulators feel about it. Well, it's not much really. Legally speaking, Starbucks isn't breaking any laws here. The rules for loyalty programs mostly deal with how they collect data and how they benefit customers. For instance, in the European Union, loyalty programs have to follow something called the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. It says that companies must get clear permission from people to join their loyalty programs, tell customers what data they're collecting and how they'll use it. They also have to delete it when they're done. Keep customer data safe by using things like encryption. Let customers see the data they've collected and delete it if they want. In Canada, they're more concerned about when your loyalty points expire. In Quebec, for example, points can't expire if the customer has been inactive for less than a year unless each reward is worth less than 50 Canadian dollars. If the customer points are going to expire, they have to tell the customer 30 to 60 days in advance. However, while there may not be specific regulations in place right now in terms of deposits, it's an area that's under the watchful eye of regulators, and we could see more formal regulations emerge in the future to address these evolving loyalty programs that resemble financial systems. But you see, Starbucks isn't the only one using loyalty programs. This idea actually goes way back to the late 1800s with S&M, H. green stamps. When people shopped, they got these stamps as rewards. Then, they could collect them and trade them for different things. Amazon does it too with Amazon Prime. People pay a yearly fee and get stuff like free shipping, streaming shows, and special discounts. Regular stores do it too, like Walmart with its money card. If you use this prepaid card to buy stuff at Walmart, you get some money back. Even airlines use it, like Delta with its SkyMiles program. If you fly with Delta a lot, you get miles for each trip. Then, you can use those miles to get free flights, better seats, and other travel stuff. But here's the thing, if not do it properly, the program can totally backfire. Just look at J.C. Penney. They had a rewards program, but when they changed how they did prices and ads, people kinda lost interest. Gap had a similar problem. Their rewards program didn't do as well as they hoped because other stores had programs people liked more. Gap just didn't offer something unique to make people want to join. There are many reasons why the program failed, including lack of value. When customers don't perceive meaningful benefits or rewards, they are less likely to engage with the loyalty program. Complexity. If the program's rules and points system are overly complicated, customers may become discouraged or confused. Limited redemption options. If there are limited ways to redeem rewards or if the rewards aren't appealing, customers may lose interest. Inadequate communication. Effective communication about the program and its benefits is crucial. Without it, customers may not even know the program exists. High minimum spend. Requiring customers to spend a lot before earning rewards can be discouraging. Expiration of points. If points or rewards expire too quickly, customers may feel they're being cheated. Competitive pressure. In highly competitive markets, loyalty programs must offer unique and appealing rewards to stand out and retain customer interest. So why does the program work for Starbucks? There are several key factors. Customer loyalty. Starbucks was already really good at making customers happy even before the rewards program. They did this by giving great customer service. The CEO of Starbucks, Howard Schultz, once said, "We are not in the coffee business serving people, we are in the people business serving coffee." Doing things right. Starbucks successfully integrated mobile payments into its systems, offering more convenience to customers. The company also used personalization to ensure that customers receive offers and rewards tailored to their preferences. Gamification. Starbucks made its rewards program kind of like a game. When you buy something, you get these things called stars. People like collecting rewards, so it keeps them interested and excited to use the program. The effectiveness of gamification to hook customers is widely documented in other businesses as well. Oh, and I forgot to mention earlier that Starbucks got the idea for its rewards program through My Starbucks Idea. Launched in 2008, this platform allowed customers to submit suggestions and feedback directly to Starbucks. It became a valuable source of ideas and insights. Other than the reward program, My Starbucks Idea also gave birth to in-store free Wi-Fi, free birthday treats, and no receipts for small purchases to save paper. The platform surely contributes much to their customer loyalty. Looking ahead, Starbucks could potentially open up its closed-loop card system to be used at more locations beyond just Starbucks stores. By doing so, they could collect interchange fees. Additionally, having access to spending data from outside their stores would provide invaluable insights into customer behavior and preferences, enabling Starbucks to adapt and refine its offerings effectively. The possibility is vast, and it is only time will tell. So, what do you think about Starbucks Card and their reward system? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you're curious to explore more about business practices, don't forget to check out our other videos. Who knows what inspiring ideas you'll uncover next? As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.